Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today we will discuss about change of state of matter. Previously we discussed matter is having three states: solid, liquid and gas. The process of changing of a substance from one physical state to another at a definite temperature is called change of state. In simple language, we can say that on heating, the molecules of matter move rapidly and expand. Due to their continuous movement while heating, they changed from one state to another. For example, when an ice cube is heated, it changes to water, which on further heating gets changed into steam. On cooling, steam gets converted to water, which on further cooling gets changed into ice. Thus, we can say that water exists in all three states of matter. The processes that occur during the change of state of matter are melting or fusion, vaporization, condensation, freezing, sublimation, and solidification. First, we will start with melting. The process in which a solid changes to the liquid state by absorbing heat at a constant temperature is called melting or fusion. Melting point. The fixed temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid is called its melting point. The melting point of pure ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Freezing. The process in which a liquid changes into the solid state at a constant temperature by releasing heat is called freezing. Freezing point. The fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into a solid is known as its freezing point. Freezing point and melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Vaporization. The process in which a liquid changes into the gaseous state is called vaporization. There are two ways in which a liquid changes to its gaseous state are evaporation and boiling. First, evaporation. Evaporation is slow and gradual conversion of a liquid to its gaseous state at any temperature. For example, drying of hair after washing, drying of clothes, drying of floor after it is mopped, drying of lakes and ponds in summer, etc. Boiling. The process in which a liquid rapidly changes into its gaseous state at a constant temperature is called boiling. Boiling point. The fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into vapor is called its boiling point. The boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of alcohol is 78 degrees Celsius. Condensation, the process in which a substance changes from the gaseous state into its liquid state on cooling at a constant temperature is called condensation. Condensation point, the constant temperature at which condensation takes place is called condensation point. The boiling point of pure water and condensation point of pure steam are both 100 degrees Celsius. Sublimation, the process in which a solid directly changes into its gaseous state at all temperature is called sublimation. Iodine, camphor, naphthalene and ammonium chloride undergo for sublimation. Sublime and sublimate, the gaseous state of the substance obtained during sublimation is called sublime. The substance formed when a gas changes back into its solid state is called sublimate. Solidification, the process in which a gas directly changes into its solid state on cooling is called solidification. For example, gaseous carbon dioxide directly solidifies into dry ice. Dry ice is also stored in fire extinguisher. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share.